Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 A220 4MATIC sedan. This one is a Patagonia red metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 188 horsepower and 221 horsepower with a 7-speed automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got the 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents, AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior appearance, night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear of the exterior, front and rear LED daytime running lights, diamond style grille, a black MB text with Dynamica interior, aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, A220 4MATIC badging, clean set of AMG floor mats, blind spot assist, premium 1 package with heated seats, ambient lighting, power windows, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how can I help?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, charging ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This A-Class has 6,378 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 A220 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.